Mars explodes. The Scorpion appears.
Fortress Maximus! Commander, Fortress Maximus! Please answer me! Commander Fortress Maximus! Do you read me, Commander? I hope he's okay.
Fortress Maximus and his battleship now lie deep in the crater of a volcano. As its power is completely gone, it just lies there lifeless. Also, Headmaster, Brainstorm, and Highbrow have been badly injured. They're now under repair inside the space sack. And the Decepticons are carrying out their plan to blow up Mars, as nothing now stands in their way. Back in Sydney, Sparkle has been studying the strange energy that neutralized Fortress Maximus' fighting powers. And he's discovered that it's the same energy that was emitted from Cybertron when it was blown up.
Plasma energy?
Well, I don't know what the Decepticons did, but they managed to somehow collect this energy and store it.
I suspect if Mars explodes, it'll emit a huge amount of plasma energy, too.
It's possible.
Father, does that mean Fortress Maximus can never fight again? Father, so am I right? Oh, no. The animals, they'll pay for this.
What's that? The Decepticons have managed to use plasma energy?
That's right.
Then I'm sure they'll use this chance to do more damage. They'll carry out their plan to blow up Mars, then maybe other planets.
The preparations at Site X and Site Y have been completed, sir.
Good. Now plant the bombs at Site Z.
You got it, sir.
I'm gonna blow up Mars together with Fortress Maximus.
All the stars in the solar system follow universal laws which govern their very existence. If Mars is blown out of existence, then other planets will suffer from the aftermath. Therefore, no matter what it costs us, we must stop it from happening.
Darn it! Just where did these people plant these bombs?
Very soon, my greatest ambition will be realized. You just wait and see, Autobots.
Oh, I found the enemy. Enlarge the picture, please.
The Reptile Regiment.
They're at 0087 degrees.
They're not far from here. That could be where they've planted the bombs.
Let's go and get the bandits.
Let's go.
Right.
Look, it's the three of them.
It's Chrome Dome and hard-headed, and they've been hit. They must be weak.
I'm weak. Maybe I was affected too.
Don't talk rubbish like that. Get them!
Come on! Ah!
They're fighting and the Decepticons are winning!
Arcee, send the robot train forces at once.
Yes, sir.
Robot train, transform! Okay, let's go!
After they receive Fortress Maximus's order, the robot train moves out at once to Mars.
You! Transform!
Oh, I'll get you. Transform!
Let me teach you a lesson. That's really something, isn't it?
Why do I feel weak all over? I can't move at all.
There they are. Robot train, march! Oh, Redhead, you okay?
I'm okay. Thanks. You came at the right time.
Come on, fight! It's no good even if you all come together. I want the three of you to come here right now.
You're lucky this time!
Come back!
Leave them! We must find the bombs at once! Head on!
Head on! That's strange. Why did they suddenly stop?
Yes, it's strange.
I'm very worried. There must be a good reason why they suddenly stopped their attack.
All right, I'll send someone over.
Thank you.
Blaster, go to the Decepticons at once and find out what they're up to.
Yes, sir. Right away. Hey, the enemy's here!
Scorponok's ordered that we are to gather on the planet Jolo at once.
I'm on my way now.
I found out that they're gathering on the planet Jolo, sir.
Planet Jolo? Okay, let's follow them then. Right, let's go.
Right now, the Decepticons' major forces have all massed on the planet Jolo.
Sorry I'm late. Okay, now let's contact Commander Scorponok. What's that? It's massive. Yeah, what is it? What is it? See?
My God, what's that?
This is my work of art. It's finally completed. This is the Scorpion. It looks great. Come on board. Wow, it's fantastic! Oh no, you ain't seen nothing yet. Very soon, I tell you, you'll see something which will really open your eyes.
My goodness.
The new weapon that Scorponok has been talking about is the Scorpion, a massive defense base which can be transformed into a battleship. It's now heading towards Jolo.
It's amazing. This is the new robotic weapon he talked about.
This is Scorponok's new weapon.
Let's go and welcome Scorponok now. Yeah, come on. Huh? It's you again, Blaster. Oh. Go!
Let's go!
Come back, Blaster! Darn it. Where's he gone to? Why, look at that! Welcome, Commander Scorponok.
How's it going with the operation to blow up Mars?
Everything is ready. Don't you worry, sir.
Good.
Meanwhile, Commander Fortress Maximus has received a report from Blaster and knows about Scorponok's new weapon.
The time has come for me to face up to Scorponok in a final battle. Scorponok, you're a monster. No matter what the cost, I'm going to stop you.
Commander! Commander! We've discovered where they planted the bombs!
Really?
Commodome and Hardhead have discovered where the Decepticons have planted the bombs. Now they're engaged fighting the Reptar Regiment.
Reptars merge! Transform!
Transform!
Robot train merge! Let's go to Mars at once. As for you, Soundwave, you just follow the plan, got it?
Right.
Scorponok transformed from a massive battle station into a combat Scorpion, and now it's heading towards Mars at hyperlight speed.
Head on!
Head on!
This is our chance. Disconnect the bombs at once.
Right.
Hey, wait for me! Let me give you a hand!
Are you sure that you two guys are fully recovered?
Don't worry, we can still fight!
Oh, look at that!
What's that? Looks like a robotic Scorpion.
Finally, Scorponok has engaged in the battle, but Fortress Maximus' battleship is still not functioning due to lack of energy.
Darn it!
We'll get them all this time. Come on.
Wait! Let me take care of them. You go and see to the bombing devices and make sure that they're okay. Go!
Yes!
Huh? They're going towards the bomb sites.
Darn it, let me stop them.
Look, they're heading towards the bombs.
Now you're a bunch of fools. Die!
Oh, no, they're too powerful for me.
Darn it!
Transform!
Right. Then let me deal with you right now. Come on!
Where's Fortress Maximus? What's he doing?
Even if Fortress Maximus goes there, he can't help them. His energy will be nullified.
Watch out!
The Autobot Headmasters are nothing to the massive Scorpion. The situation is critical, but Fortress Maximus can't come to help because he has no energy.
Scorponok, you killer!
I'm not the Scorponok you used to know. This is Scorpion!
What? Scorpion?
Fortress Maximus, I'm gonna make you pay for kicking me off the master planet. Go, Scorpion!
Scorponok's new weapon is transformed from a Scorpion into a massive robotic fighter, and it's pounding heavily on Fortress Maximus. Fortress Maximus has no energy left to fight back. He can only sit there and wait to die.
Well, Fortress Maximus, aren't you gonna fight back?
Chief Scorponok! The bombing devices are all in place. Please contact the base on planet Jolo.
Good. Everything's ready, Soundwave. You can start the explosions.
Yes, sir.
The bombs placed on the northern and southern tips of Mars are detonated simultaneously. And then, a chain reaction occurs, detonating the other bombs which have been placed at various locations on Mars.
Fortress Maximus, do you hear that noise? Soon Mars will vanish from the universe. And you won't get any more energy from it, because today you're gonna die. Say your last prayers. Goodbye!
Is everyone okay?
We're all right, but I wonder about the commander.
Don't worry about me, Headmasters. Mars will go up in smoke any minute. Get out of there at once!
Commander, you must leave here with us too!
I can't leave my battle station, but still, if I don't go now, I may never get out.
There's no time! Come on, everybody, let's get the commander! Commander! Come with us now!
No, I can't desert the battle station here. Never mind me, you all go, and that's an order!
Commander, come with us quick!
Wait, look at that, Chrome Dome, look!
The energy level is rising!
The energy generated by the explosions has been absorbed by Fortress Maximus's battle station.
Good. Finally, we've got rid of Fortress Maximus.
Oh, it's Fortress Maximus! He's still alive!
How come?
Scorponok's plan was to kill Fortress Maximus in the explosions. However, the energy generated by the explosions actually became a lifeline for him. It restored his energy fully.
Retreat!
Well done, Commander!
All right, let's get back now.
They made it at last!
It's wonderful!
This time, Fortress Maximus has defeated the enemy, but he is saddened by the thought that they failed to save Mars.
I'm sorry, Danny.
After this incident, the Autobots are more determined in their resolve to get rid of the Decepticons.